OSC has come out to slam Tejashwi's job lies. The AIMIM chief mocks the Mahagathbandhan chief ministerial face on job vows. OSC has come out to say, and I quote, Tejashwi jobs pledged cost 8 lakh crore rupees. Bihar annual budget is just 2 lakh crore rupees. Then OSC questions Tejashwi, does money grow on trees? This is the very question that's been raised by the AIMIM chief. We'll quickly listen in to what exactly has been said by him before we proceed to Rohit, in fact, throwing more light on what exactly has been said.
लंबी छोड़ी है ना, वो मोदी से कंपटीशन में आ गया झूठ बोलने की। मोदी ने कहा था 15 लाख देंगे, 15 लाख मिले। मोदी ने कहा था 1 करोड़ नौकरी दिया जाएगा, मिला। तो तेजस्वी ने कहा कि मोदी से ज्यादा जाऊंगा। आपको मालूम बिहार का कास्ट सेंसस में बिहार में भी कितना घर है? 2 करोड़ 45 हजार के 2 करोड़ 45 लाख घर है। पूरे भारत के सरकार में, भारत की सरकार में 30 लाख लोग काम करते हैं। कितना? 30 लाख। तेजस्वी बोल रहा है कि 2 करोड़ 75 लाख घर जो है उनको सबको नौकरी दो। अब आप सोचिए, बिहार की जनता, सीमांचल की जनता इतनी भोली नहीं है कि तुम आकर लंबा छोड़ दो और वो कबूल कर ले। अभी अगर वो 2 करोड़ 75 लाख लोगों को नौकरी देगा तो कम से कम 25,000 तो देना पड़ेगा ना, 25,000। अब तुम उसका हिसाब कर लो, उसके लिए पैसा पड़ेगा 8,28,000 करोड़ रुपए। 8,28,000 करोड़ रुपए। पूरा बिहार सरकार का बजट कितना है? सालाना 2 लाख करोड़ का। ये कहां से लाएंगे बाबा?
Rohit Singh continues to be with us on the broadcast. Rohit, you know, this is a question that's been raised by the NDA as well with regards to Tejashwi's job promises, that how will he fit it in within the budget that is allocated to the very state, the promise that he's given, claiming that he is then automatically lying right ahead of the elections itself with his promises of such jobs being given to the voters out there.
Well, see, ever since Tejaswi Yadav has made that promise of providing a job to every household in Bihar, one person in every household, that amounts to almost 2.5 crore government jobs. And ever since then, he has made this declaration. Questions are being raised over, has Tejaswi Yadav even done his mathematics to understand that how much expenditure it will incur and what was the budget of Bihar? Because remember, the NDA leaders as well as OSC, as we were showing right now to our viewers, are questioning over from where will the money come from when the annual budget of Bihar is only about 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh crore rupees. How will Tejaswi Yadav manage almost 10 lakh crore rupees to pay to the government jobs that he is promising, and that is only annually? So questions are being raised, pot shots are being taken by NDA leaders and OSC that the declaration that has been made by Tejaswi is nothing but falsehood, and it's hollow promises that he has made just to lure the voters and win elections, and he was not serious about it. And that is why NDA and OSC, we are seeing, are questioning him. From where will he get money to pay salaries to all these government jobs that he is promising?
These are the questions that's being raised on those very promises. Very right, Rohit. Rohit, do stay with us because there is more attacks that's coming from Asaduddin Owaisi as we speak. And let's quickly take a look as to what he has to say. There's more breaking news coming in from that very political battleground in Bihar. Now, Asaduddin Owaisi has also he's not stopped at Tejashwi, let's tell you, because he's also gone ahead to mock Lalu, wherein he has said Modi and also Modi on the Bihar betrayal. What has he said? Well, Owaisi has come out to say that Lalu obsessed with just one of his sons. Modi's heart is stuck in Gujarat. Owaisi says Bihar must give chance to AIMIM. Let's listen into what exactly has been said.
जनता और सीमांचल की जनता को हम बता रहे हैं कि मोदी को आपने 3 मर्तबा प्रधानमंत्री बनाया, मगर मोदी का दिल अहमदाबाद में अटका हुआ है। लालू परिवार को आपने 15 साल मुख्यमंत्री बनाया, उनका दिल अपने सिर्फ एक ही बेटे के ऊपर अटका हुआ है। नीतीश कुमार को 20 साल मुख्यमंत्री बनाया, मगर नीतीश कुमार का दिल राजगीर में फंसा हुआ है। सीमांचल का क्या होगा फिर?
So OSC's tirade continues, and this time it's against Lalu Prasad. It is against Prime Minister Modi as well as Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. So yes, he's packed it all in one at this given point. Let's quickly listen into what Rohit has to say on this very matter. Rohit, these are the attacks that's coming in from OSC at this point, right ahead of the elections, likening how all these leaders who have had power in Bihar, they have had vested interests elsewhere. So who takes care of, he specifically mentioned Seemanchal at this point, and that's where he's asked for a chance for the AIMIM to step in.
See, very rightly, Owaisi has pointed out that nothing has been done for Seemanchal, and all the leaders that he was naming, whether Modi, Nitish Kumar or Lalu Prasad, he clearly said that Modi worked only for Gujarat, Nitish worked only for Rajgir, his home district, and Lalu was working only for his family whenever he was in power. But nothing was done for Seemanchal. Seemanchal, which consists of 4 districts, all Muslim dominated. And in that context, he was hitting out at all these leaders and questioned that nobody cared for the development of Muslims in the Seemanchal area, because of which Seemanchal has remained backward till now in the state. Back to you.
Right, Rohit. Thank you so much for